Welcome back. You're watching the morning show. Now, the Supreme Court has dismissed a plea against the Rajasthan government's 2001 regulations, which prevent a candidate from applying for a public position if he or she has more than two children. Now, the Justice bench referred to the top court's 2003 judgment that had affirmed a two-child norm as an eligibility condition to contest Panchayat elections in the state. Now, the bench pointed out that the 2003 decision held that the classification was non-discriminatory and intra-vires the Constitution, since the objective behind the provision was to promote family planning. Harish, my colleague, joins me for more. Harish, very good morning. Of course, for the benefit of our viewers, what's a key takeaway that we should know as far as this is concerned?
Yes, that's right. Supreme Court has called it a non-discriminatory and a step with an objective to promote family planning and dismissed a plea, as you rightly said, against the Rajasthan government's rules, which debarred a candidate from being eligible for public job if he or she was having more than two children. A three-judge bench said a somewhat similar provision, which was introduced as an eligibility condition to contest Panchayat elections in Haryana, had been upheld by the Supreme Court in 2003 in the case of Javed and others for the state of Haryana. The bench pointed that this court had then held that the classification which disqualified candidates for having more than two children was non-discriminatory and intra-vires the Constitution, since the objective is very important. That is, objective behind the provision was to promote family planning. The court made this remark in a plea by ex-serviceman Ramji Lal Jat against the Rajasthan High Court's judgment of October 12, 2022, which held that the subject rule fell within the realm of policy matter and does not warrant any interference. The High Court has said that since it's a policy matter, the court would not like to intervene. Remember, Jat, after having been retired from defense services, had applied for the post of Rajasthan Police Constable. His candidature was rejected on the ground that since he had more than two children after June 1, 2002, he stood disqualified for public employment under the state as per the Rajasthan Various Services Rules 2001. So now his petition was challenging this rule was rejected by the Rajasthan High Court, and now the Supreme Court has also violated the Rajasthan High Court judgment, thereby upholding the rule framed by the state government. Back to you.